Good morning, YouTube. It's Laura from TuxedoPlanners. How are you guys doing today? Today I'm going to bring you an unboxing with my Zenpop box. This is their April subscription box. And let's get started here. Zenpop is a company that has all different types of subscriptions. Their products are all Japanese, and it takes a while to get the boxes because they all are shipped from Japan. The first thing you see when you open it is just a little thank you from the company, and on the back it just gives you some information about their social media sites and reviews or things like that. So that's what that is. Inside here, this is, I'm not going to look at this. This is actually just tells you what is inside the box. I have not seen this box. I haven't watched anyone else's unboxing, so this is totally new to me. In fact, I didn't even know I was going to get this box. It just showed up. So let's see what we got. Okay, so inside we have a masking tape cutter, which I'm assuming is a washi cutter. And see that? Really cute there. Then we have a euphony of cherry blossoms. Oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's a notepad. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And the paper is like some kind of textured, really soft textured paper. It's amazing. I'm not sure that my camera could pick that texture up, but it is just gorgeous. You have pink pages, blue. Wow, that's really pretty. I like that. Then you have some washi tape. And let me open this washi. All right, let's get this washi opened here. Let's see that. There we go. We can totally see that better. That's pretty. Then you have some beautiful flowers. These are stickers. Very pretty. I love the purple. Then we have some more stickers. This is called a masking seal, but they're little cat stickers. Aren't they cute? The little cat in the basket. This little cat looks like a little cat rug. He's hiding his face. Oh, these are so cute. If you're a cat person, these are perfect. Then we have what I would assume is yep, it's an eraser. So it's just a plastic little eraser. Sakura Craypaws, it says. Sakura Craypaws. Can you guys see that? Then we have some, I would assume that these are sticky notes, sticky pads. Looks like it's from their Hallmark. There's a Hallmark thing on the top. Yep, they're sticky pads. How funny. From Hallmark Japan. Interesting. And then you have some, let's open this one because I'm not sure what this one is. So let's look. I think it's an envelope. Oh, they're envelopes. What you use these for? Let's look. We can look at this now. Okay, so there's the notepad. It's a floral envelope set. These elegantly designed Japanese style envelopes are perfect for a sweet letter anyone would be pleased to see in their mailbox. And it goes perfectly with this month's Sakura letter pad. In Japan, we use traditional envelopes to give money as a gift at weddings. We also give money in an envelope as a gift for other special occasions, which I cannot pronounce. The Otoshidama Bakuru for kids on the new year. Oh, that's cute. So these are envelopes. How pretty. Can you see it's kind of got like a little thing in there. That's really nice. Then of course you always get pens or pencils. This one I believe is a pen. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this is pencil. This is a mechanical pencil, it says. So let's take a look at this. I can open it. There it comes. There it is. Oh, okay, let's see how it writes. Let's take one of these sticky notes here. Let's see how this writes. Or I can get the sticky notes out. Oh, okay. They're like, oh, do they not come off? Do they not come off? Well, let's see. Yeah, it's a pencil, all right. Let's move the box. All right, so this is a Clean Color Real Brush. This is a Cortex Zig, and it says here, what it says here is this brush comes in every color you can possibly imagine. The water-based ink is great for calligraphy and art. What color did you get in your pack? Which we got, I think, black. No, we got a deep blue, it says. Get creative with the Zig brush pen. Will make your bullet journal all the more colorful. So it's like a bullet journaling pen. It's pretty. Let's see what this one is. Well, it's definitely dark blue, and it's definitely, I could see where this would be for calligraphy. It's definitely calligraphy-like. Very nice. So, okay, and oh, this is a scented eraser. It says it's not a crayon, it's an eraser. Let's see what smell we got here, what flavor we got in our pack here. Let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, how about I just cut the paper? That'll work. I think we got an orange. It's an orange eraser. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it erases. Yep, that's kind of cool. This is a cool box. If you know of someone or yourself that loves anything that's like Japanese, this is the box to have. It's not that expensive every month. It comes, I want to say it's definitely less than $20, I think, a month. So it's not bad for what you get. And you get some beautiful washi tape and a washi cutter and a beautiful notepad. You can't beat it. So, and it always comes with, tells you what's inside and how to use it a lot of times. So, very nice. I'm happy with this month's with this thing. And it tells you about the washi cutter type. And I think it gives you an example of how to use this. There. So, all right. Well, that's it for this Zenpop unboxing. So, until there. And if you guys like the video, please give it a, please share it with others. So if they're interested in Zenpop, or if you have any questions about Zenpop, please leave them in the comments section below. And also, if you like my content or anything you see here, please think about subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And hit the notification bell to be notified of when I upload. And with that, guys, I'm off. Bye.